Let's say you've got this awesome lead generation form and leads are just pouring in. That's fantastic, right? But then you're stuck thinking, how do I actually use all this data without pulling my hair out? You want those entries stored somewhere neat, automatically, so you can actually make smart decisions. Well, that's exactly where Fluent Forms and Ninja Tables step in. Think of it like this. Fluent Forms does the heavy lifting of collecting all that valuable leads for you. And Ninja Tables? It's like magic. It takes all those form entries and pops them straight into a beautiful data table all on its own, no matter how large the data is. No exporting, no fiddling around, no clicking a million times. Just smooth, automatic updates. Seriously, it's a game changer for making sense of your data. So before we dive into the table, I want you to take a second to think, if Fluent Forms can handle the big data entry, why incorporate Ninja Tables? Well, Ninja Tables provides us with various features like conditional formatting, transforming value for humongous datasets, and even exporting the table in a PDF format, which helps us with the offline usage. And the table customization options? Cherry on top. It's like a win-win situation. So let's not waste any more time and dive into the process. To get started, we first need to ensure we have a form ready that we want to integrate. As I already have a form ready, I'll go to Ninja Tables to get started with the integration. Okay, so we have to create a new table as we want to show all the data there. So go for this, create new table. And now we have to connect it to Fluent Forms. So on the left side, as you can see, we have the Connect with Fluent Forms option. All right, let's click that. And now let's give a table title. Let's go for this. Okay, now let's choose the form that we want to get the data from. Okay, let's go with this form. Now, let's select what form entry fields we want on our table from the Select Entry Fields area. So what this does is, this basically determines the columns of the table. For today, I'll keep them all. All right. So with this option, you can choose the number of records and the type of entry. You can leave the record number empty if you want to show all the entries. Now, with the entry type option, you can select which data to show on the table. Could be read ones, unread ones, or maybe all. Select the one that you prefer. Today, I'll go with all. Okay? So as everything's done, let's save the table now. And wow, this is amazing. Guys, we have the table here now and all the data came in like a snap. You can customize this table as any other table now. Be it the color or styling or anything, you can customize it however you like, as every single option will be available for the customization. Let's go for a proper color scheme to match the theme that I need. All right, and I feel like this looks good enough. If you guys want to see a detailed video of table designing and customization, you can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. Okay guys, time to preview the table now. Wow, everything came in like a breeze. I love how the table looks as well. Now, what if a form entry came in? Will it auto-update on this table? Let's find out. Okay, let's leave an entry. Okay. Now, let's send it and go back to our table. Okay, sent. Let's go back to our table. Right, as we're on the table now, I'm going to refresh the table. And here it is. The sync is so perfect, guys. I love how it makes everything so easy. And just like that, your form data flows straight into a dynamic table. No extra steps needed. The Fluent Forms and Ninja Tables combo makes handling data on WordPress fast, easy, and actually fun. Also, don't forget, no matter how large the data is, Ninja Tables will handle it like making a cup of tea. So go full on with your data entry. If this helped, give us a like and subscribe to WPManageNinja for more smart tutorials. And if you got questions, drop them in the comments. We've got you. See you in the next one. Bye!